Hello everyone Pioneer, I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button and subscribe to Pi News World. And also, click like, comment and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh wow Pioneer, did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork? As of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. This article compiles news about PiNetwork with the following main points, anticipating a major event at the end of 2025 when Pi withdrawals from ATMs will be available. The multi-sig wallet is nearing completion, and the cross-chain bridge update will be available on March 14, 2025, and Pi will be listed on international exchanges. It's amazing! In just a short time we will witness a major event in the cryptocurrency industry at the end of 2025. PiNetwork will announce the full opening of its mainnet. At that time many people will be very surprised. Pi will be the #1 cryptocurrency because it has been improved with the latest technology after Bitcoin and Ethereum, with a community of over 80 million. Pi is an accessible cryptocurrency for everyone. You can mine Pi for free every day with just a smartphone. Pi will be very valuable because of its breakthrough nature, without the environmental pollution caused by Bitcoin and Ethereum mining. PiNetwork creates a peer-to-peer economy built on the largest blockchain network in the world with over 200,000 transaction processing nodes across continents. PiNetwork employs the latest technology in blockchain development, enabling high efficiency and reliability. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which require specialized hardware and consume large amounts of energy, PiNetwork only requires a smartphone for mining. This makes Pi more environmentally friendly and accessible to anyone, anywhere. With a community of over 80 million people in more than 230 countries, PiNetwork has become a global phenomenon. This community consists of various backgrounds, from tech professionals to ordinary users interested in cryptocurrency. The strong community engagement is one of PiNetwork's main strengths, providing significant support and promotion for the network. PiNetwork creates a peer-to-peer economy built on the world's largest blockchain network. With over 200,000 transaction processing nodes spread across continents, PiNetwork offers fast, secure, and transparent transactions. By using Pi currency, you can trade across borders with low costs, safety, and transparency. Pi adheres to international standards for reliability, anti-money laundering, anti-terrorism, and personal information security policies. PiNetwork adheres to international standards for reliability, anti-money laundering, anti-terrorism, and personal information security policies. Pi has been certified by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, licensed by the European Union, and authorized to operate in China. These certifications and licenses demonstrate that PiNetwork has a high level of security and compliance, making it trustworthy for users worldwide. PiNetwork has a web-based social network and thousands of ecological applications awaiting approval after the network opens. These applications cover various fields, such as commerce, financial services, and entertainment. With a strong social network, PiNetwork users can connect and interact with each other, creating an active and dynamic community. PiNetwork's vision is to become widespread for billions of people around the world. Why are the Chinese so enthusiastic about PiNetwork? In the past, the value of Bitcoin was also boosted by the Chinese, and Pi will be no exception. Great things are about to happen at the end of 2025 for PiNetwork and the global PiNetwork community. China has created digital currency ATMs. Later, when Pi fully opens its mainnet, you just need to scan the Pi code to withdraw cash. This is wonderful. Let's watch this video clip together. Another piece of information for the community. The multi-sig wallet for businesses has completed its initial phase and is likely to launch in the next few weeks. Pi's multi-sig features are in the final stages of development and testing. It has completed the first step in the application development process, but still needs to complete the next steps, including configuration security and connecting the application wallet. These steps are necessary to ensure the multi-sig application operates smoothly and complies with required regulations. Let's wait for more updates from the Pi team in the coming weeks. PiNetwork is in its final stages towards a full mainnet launch. Certainly, Pi will connect with daily exchanges to list its value and announce its value globally. Pi follows a detailed roadmap and has clear plans to develop from the initial phase to becoming a complete decentralized cryptocurrency network, opening up great potential for the future. Phase 3. The open mainnet is the final and most important step, marking the official launch of Pi. Decentralization and the absence of central control will create trust and transparency for the system. Connecting with exchanges opens up opportunities for Pi to be widely traded and used in daily transactions globally. Currently, Pi is being evaluated by systems of providers such as Amazon and eBay. Pi is building a global trust graph from users' personal security circles, helping to identify who on the Pi network can be trusted. Transactions do not require intermediaries, and Pi aims to create a fairer playing field, helping users optimize their untapped resources. In short, Pi follows a detailed roadmap and has clear plans to develop from the initial phase to becoming a complete decentralized cryptocurrency network in 2025. With all these developments, PiNetwork is on the right track to becoming one of the world's leading cryptocurrencies. A strong community, advanced technology, and compliance with international standards give PiNetwork great potential for the future. We all look forward to further updates and innovations from PiNetwork that will transform how we transact and interact in the digital world. Let's continue to support and follow PiNetwork's developments and be ready to welcome a new era in the cryptocurrency industry.